This is not just a home. This is a statement. A $100 million vision of glass, water, and steel, where architecture meets pure imagination. Today, we're stepping inside a mega modern mansion that redefines luxury living, inspired by estates like The One, a 105,000 square foot property packed with extreme amenities and futuristic design. Welcome to a residence where every detail feels like it belongs in the future. As you approach the property, the first thing you notice is the sheer scale. Clean lines, floor-to-ceiling glass, and a structure that almost disappears into the landscape. Modern mega mansions are designed to blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, using massive glass panels and open layouts to create uninterrupted views. The driveway curves dramatically, leading you to a minimalist entrance. No clutter, no excess, just pure architectural confidence. And then, the doors open. You step into a double-height living space flooded with natural light. Every wall is glass, every surface polished to perfection. The design is intentional, open, seamless, and built for both privacy and entertaining. Luxury homes at this level are engineered for flow. Spaces connect effortlessly, creating an environment where hosting feels natural and grand at the same time. Automatic sliding glass walls disappear, revealing panoramic views and turning the entire floor into one continuous indoor-outdoor experience. Now, let's head upstairs to one of the most breathtaking features in the entire property, the Glass Sky Lounge. Suspended above the estate, this space is wrapped entirely in glass. It feels like you're floating. Day or night, this is where the home truly comes alive. Sunsets turn into a private light show, and at night, the city becomes your backdrop. This isn't just a lounge, it's a statement piece designed for exclusivity, privacy, and unforgettable moments. Descending into the wellness level, the vibe shifts completely. Welcome to your private Waterfall spa. The sound hits you first, flowing water cascading down textured stone walls. This space is designed to disconnect you from the outside world. High-end mansions often include full wellness centers with saunas, massage rooms, and relaxation lounges built for total escape. There's a steam room, a glass-enclosed sauna, and a sunken jacuzzi that blends seamlessly into the design. Every material, stone, water, glass, works together to create a spa experience that rivals five-star resorts. This isn't luxury, this is therapy. Now for the crown jewel. Hidden beneath the home is something truly extraordinary, the Hypercar vault. This isn't your typical garage. This is a museum, a gallery, a secure, climate-controlled space designed to showcase multi-million-dollar machines. Luxury car-focused estates often feature dedicated display areas, turning vehicles into centerpieces of the home itself. Here, cars sit under dramatic lighting, surrounded by glass walls and polished concrete. Some even rotate on display platforms, because in a home like this, your collection deserves a stage. It's not just storage, it's a statement of identity. As the sun sets, the entire mansion transforms. Lights reflect off glass, water features come alive, and the home glows like a piece of art. This is what modern luxury looks like: bold, immersive, and unapologetically futuristic. From the Glass Sky Lounge to the Waterfall Spa and the Hypercar Vault, this isn't just a tour, it's a glimpse into a lifestyle very few will ever experience. And the question is, would you live here?